Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Discovery Plus on Roku. Quick guide step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Roku device. Ensure your Roku is connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen using your remote. Scroll down to the Streaming Channels option. Select the channel store from the menu. In the channel store, use the search function. Type Discovery Plus into the search bar. Once you find Discovery Plus, select it. Click on the Add Channel button. Wait for the installation to complete. Once added, return to the home screen. Find the Discovery Plus channel in your channel list. Open the Discovery Plus app. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login details. For new users, select the Sign Up option. Follow the prompts to create your account. After logging in, you will receive an activation code. Take note of the activation code displayed on your TV. Now, visit the Discovery Plus activation website on a computer or mobile device. Enter the activation code in the field provided. Click on the Submit button to proceed. Once validated, your Roku will refresh automatically. You should now have access to Discovery Plus content. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.